freaking knuckles.
Why is this filled up to the rim?
For you.
I can't do that.
No, you can.
I can't.
It's there.
I bet he likes that, Matt.
Don't be pussy.
Okay, come on. Is there
Does anybody else smell
wants to take
fish?
a shot?
I definitely smell fish.
Yeah, this one's mine.
It's fish right there.
Alright? That one?
You guys gotta scoot in closer. You're gonna kill my back. Get in closer.
Is this your turn?
Ow. Okay.
To all the THC and weed and love we have.
Yay, we love THC.
Weed, love, and THC.
We
Yeah.
love THC. That's weed twice, if you didn't know.
Watch this, watch this, watch
1,
this.
2, 3.
No, that's not right.
Oh. Oh, Phil, you're drinking tap water. That shit has too much fluoride in it. You're gonna die. Yeah.
Sick. He's fucked up in the head.
I didn't even check Chaser.
Fucked up in
Oh, because that's so fucking cool.
Well, yeah, no,
I'm
whatever.
just kidding.
Whatever reason would there be for that?
Kidding. Why?
Rolling.
Why?
Fucked up.
No.
Hey. Leave the poor girl alone.
I know I get attacked, man.
Hey, did we do all the fireworks?
Cover your navels.
We love you.
I know.
Fireworks it is.
Matt Delosa.
Phil, it's fun.
Dan, why are you touching Matt's nipples?
I really can't believe I'm even related.
Ow.
Yeah, tell me about it.